Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am very tired of this hair. I'm not going to re-dye it. It is white in some areas. I decided that I'm going to do a galaxy hair for you guys today because I did a poll over on my Instagram if I should do a warm color or a cool color, and cool color won, but I still want to have some fun in there. I was just going to go solid purple, but I just wanted some fun. So I'm going to do some purple on my roots today, and then I'm going to section it off and do some parts with a lighter purple on the end, some parts with pink on the ends, and some parts with blue and turquoise on the ends. So I'm super excited to do this. Let's just go ahead and section off my hair. So there is a few different ways that I could do this. I could do all of my roots on my head right now and then do the ends afterwards, or I could just go in bit by bit and then just do the dark purple and then whatever color I'm doing on the ends, so just go in like that, which I think I'm going to do just to make sure it doesn't like get too crazy, I guess, and I want the dark purple to stay where I put it and not really have the opportunity to get any of the other colored pieces. So yeah, let's just section it off. Alright, for my dark purple roots, I'm going to be using Manic Panic's Ultraviolet with a little bit of Arctic Fox's Transylvania, their black shade. Just because my roots are coming in just a little bit, but there's nothing too crazy there where I have to bleach it away. Okay, so here's our dark purple root color. Okay, for the light purple, I'm going to use Arctic Fox's Girls Night and maybe a little bit of Ultraviolet in there too. Okay, so this made it more of a periwinkle purple shade. It's still really pretty, but I'm going to add a little bit of pink in there, so I'm going to use a little bit of Manic Panic Fuchsia Shock. To bring a little bit more warmth in this purple. Okay, I made this color, which is a little too pink actually. So I'm just going to work with it, add some more Girls Night, add some more Ultraviolet, maybe a little bit of conditioner too, just to get it a little lighter and go a little longer ways. I'll be right back. So here's our light purple mixture. I didn't make that much of it. Hopefully I won't use too much, I don't know, but so now let's go on and make the blue shade that I'm going to use. I'm going to mix some of Arctic Fox's Poseidon, some of their Aquamarine, and if it needs it, some Manic Panic Rockabilly Blue. Here is Poseidon and Aquamarine. Okay, here's our pretty blue shade. Now let's do the pink. I'm going to use Arctic Fox's Virgin Pink, some Hot Hot Pink by Manic Panic, and a little bit of Fuchsia Shock as well by Manic Panic. Okay, here's our pink mixture. With this white spot right in the front, I'm just going to make this entirely pink, and same with this one. These parts are just going to be pink. Alright, I did a lot of it. Now let's do the top section. just because there is some turquoise right there, just because there's some turquoise right here, I'm just going to add in a little bit of blue just to buffer. Here's my hair all complete. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!